Hello, welcome to the second lesson in the unit on organizing information. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about tables, flowcharts, and graphic organizers. All right, so let's start with tables. Now, of course, we've all seen tables and read tables and created our own tables many times, possibly on a daily basis. Okay, so this is probably the most common type of or common method of organizing information that we will encounter throughout our lives. Okay, so I won't spend too much time on this because we're already fairly familiar with tables. Okay, these are useful for organizing related facts or figures or related data. In the case of our example over here, the related data has to do with the numbers of males versus females in different sports at one particular school. Okay. Tables are made up of rows and columns. Columns go up and down. All right, and the rows go across. As it says here, information will be listed in each column. Okay, under each of the categories. And it may also contain additional categories on the left. Right, again, I don't want to spend too much time on that because we're all fairly familiar with tables. Okay, next, flowcharts. You've probably seen flowcharts before in your science textbooks. Okay, these are visual guides which explain different processes. Okay, processes meaning something that happens step by step. All right, they lead the reader from one step to the next, usually include both illustrations and text, that is, images or pictures and words. So we've got the life cycle of cotton here in this flowchart. Okay, the flowchart leads us from one step to the next. So you may have seen a flowchart about the life cycle of an insect, a butterfly, or something like that. Okay, again, very common in textbooks, especially science textbooks, and in biology. Okay, life cycles are a good example. All right. Now, finally, we've got graphic organizers, and I think you've all probably created your own graphic organizer in the past, probably a mind map. Okay, these are visual displays of information. All right, so as it says here, a visual display that demonstrates relationships between facts, concepts, or ideas, so they show relation. Okay, there are many different types. I may actually ask you to create your own graphic organizer from your own imagination, okay, to show the relation between different facts and figures or information. All right, and you can sort of be creative with this, whatever way or whatever visual method helps you get your thoughts onto paper, like using a mind map. So here's a here's an example of a fairly simple graphic organizer here about different historical periods. Of course, again, notice we have our title. We always need our title, no matter what type of or what way we're organizing our information, whether it's a table, a bar graph, a pie chart, or a graphic organizer. We always need a title. Okay. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you for listening.